Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today I'm on this beautiful island of Phuket in Thailand, and I'm super excited because I'll be exploring the city and some stunning beaches all on a rented motorbike. I'm renting a motorbike to explore the city. I've come to a rented place and they have a wide range of options to choose from. We've rented this cool Honda Scoopy for 200 baht a day. Let's get started. Alright, we've got our bike. It's one of the best ways to travel around Phuket because it gives you the freedom to explore at your own pace. I've just arrived at the Patong beach, and it's one of the most famous beaches in Phuket. It's a very huge beach and offers a plenty of space for everyone. It's a perfect place to relax and soak up some sun. And if you're looking for some adventure, there are plenty of water activities as well. You can do jet ski and parasail. And there are many restaurants and bars as well for grabbing some fresh drink or a bite to eat while you sit. I'm heading towards Old Phuket town. This area is known for its old Portuguese architecture and some very nice cafes and local markets. Make sure that you have your international driving permit with you and you are wearing a helmet, because you'll find police everywhere and they will stop you for a quick check. I've arrived at the Old Phuket town. This is a very famous area in Phuket, known for its colorful street and vibrant life, and it's a great place to experience some local life and try some delicious street food. This place is known for its street food, so don't forget to try some of them, and you'll find a lot of shops to buy souvenirs and unique crafts. Old Town is a must visit for anyone coming to Phuket town. The history, the vibrant culture and colorful street make it a very fascinating place to explore. Alright, after exploring the beautiful streets of the old Phuket town, I'm now heading towards one of the most iconic landmarks of Phuket, the Big Buddha. It's a bit of ride from here, but let's go. I have arrived at the Big Buddha and this statue is massive. It stands 45 meters tall and it provides a panoramic view of the entire city. After spending some time at the Big Buddha, I'm now heading towards Karun viewpoint. It's another fantastic place to get some stunning views of the city and it's not too far from here. I've arrived at the Karun viewpoint and the view from here is incredible. You can see a couple of beaches lined up along the coast and it's breathtaking. It's a great place to relax and enjoy the scenery. There are some areas where you can sit, enjoy and take in the view. Time to head towards our next destination. And now, after seeing the incredible view from the Karen viewpoint, I'm now heading towards Promthep Cave, which is one of the best spots in Phuket to watch the sunset. And it's not that far from here, so let's go. I've arrived at the Promthep Cave. It's a bit cloudy here, but I'm sure the views are gonna be worth it. It's a bit cloudy here and you can see why. The view from here is spectacular and it's a very popular spot for both locals and tourists.
รักหลอกให้หลงรอหลอกให้หลงรอเรารอรอนานๆก็จะหันใจหาเขา
Won't be able to see the sunset because of the weather, I'm afraid, but this place is a must visit regardless of the weather. After enjoying the dramatic views of Promthep Cap, I'm now heading towards Banzan Fresh Market to check out some seafood. This market is located near the Patong beach and it's very close to my hotel. So I've parked my bike at my hotel and it's just 5 minutes walk from my hotel. So let's go. The best thing about this market is that you can choose your seafood and have it cooked right here. The market is full of energy with vendors selling everything from fresh fish to shellfish to vegetables and fruits. The selection is incredible. I've taken one lobster and a crab and the cost is for both of them is 350 baht. Both were cooked to perfection and were very flavorful and tender. This is a very must experience when you are here in Phuket. After enjoying a delicious seafood feast, I am now heading towards Bangla Road to end our incredible day here in Phuket. This street is known for its nightlife and it's going to be a completely different experience. It's so loud here and this street is called the heart of Phuket nightlife. As soon as the sun sets, this street transforms into bars, clubs and entertainment. Entertainment options are endless here. As soon as you enter the street, you'll find plenty of bars, nightclubs, street performers and food stalls.